Hey everyone, welcome to another tour. Summer and I are in Northamptonshire today, actually the village of Brockhall, which is around 9 miles away from Northampton. We're going to be checking out this grade 2 star listed property behind me. Now it is actually an apartment that we're going to be showing you. It's called number 1 The Hall, and it's this apartment here with its own private entrance and private door. It's a 17th century Jacobean grade 2 star listed building, and it was converted in 2000 to 7 individual apartments. And like I mentioned, we're going to be showing you around this apartment here, which is a 2-bedroom triplex apartment, and it's on the market for £575,000 with Kelly from Fine & Country Northampton. For any more information about the property, her details will be in the description. And just before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you to the sponsor of today's episode, which is Squarespace. We'll talk to you more about that later in the video. So let's start the tour on the exterior. Summer, if you pan round, we can check out all of the off-road parking that there is for the apartments. Now there are 2 designated parking spaces for this apartment specifically, but also a lot of other guest parking if you've got family and friends over, and the parking spaces are just here.
And there's 13 acres of land, which is all communal. And we'll get some shots of that at the end and go check it out.
Yeah, so it's very ideal for having just so much outdoor space without needing to maintain it yourself, which is obviously pretty important for a lot of people. But as I mentioned, we're going to take you through the apartment, give you a full tour. Let's go. This is the original Jacobean door, and as I mentioned, it's quite unique that this apartment does have its own entrance because a lot of the others share a communal entrance. So we're in the entrance of 1 Hall now, and before we start the tour, I'll put the floor plan on the screen. There is 2,415 square feet of accommodation in this particular apartment. So as we work through, we're going to see a lot of antique furniture and original features. So if you look down to the floor, while I'm just taking my shoes off, you've got original flooring. And then on the ground floor, we've got the WC through here, which actually has an original toilet, something very unique. And probably not like what a lot of you guys have seen before.
You'll see a lot of original features, but some stuff has been restored in 1799.
Yeah.
So there is a bit of Georgian. There's a Georgian fireplace upstairs.
Combination of Jacobean and Georgian. So we just saw the storage cupboard, didn't we? And it's worth showing, I think, because it is a generous size.
You've got to have storage in an apartment.
All right, come on through. We're going to take you into the drawing room, which is the main living area on the ground floor. Immediately what you're going to notice is amazing ceiling heights. I'd estimate around 4, maybe 4.5 meters. And we have an original Jacobean fireplace here. Then we have original windows. These were actually meticulously restored.
The panelling on the back is all from 1799.
And this is one of the original doors. It's currently obviously not in use for this particular apartment. And then we've got oak flooring. So if you're not that familiar with Northamptonshire, as I mentioned, we're around 9 miles from Northampton. So you've got Long Buckby train station not too far away, and also Northampton. So you're just over an hour on the train to London. Let's continue the tour. We've got a lot more to show you. So back out into the entrance hall. It's over 3 levels, triplex apartment. So we're going to go up to the first floor now. And you'll see we have the original Jacobean solid wood staircase. Although it's an old building, it still feels very light and airy in here. There's quite large windows surrounding, which I think works quite well. So you've kind of got like a study area here. What was the make of the radiators? I thought that was quite interesting. Bisque. Yeah.
Bisque radiators. They really suit the property.
We've seen the drawing room downstairs. Now through this door is the living room. In the living room, we have incredible views over the 13 acres of ground through the original windows. We then have a Georgian fireplace just here.
And all the fireplaces still work in the property.
There's even a fireplace in the kitchen, which I'm going to show you shortly. And finally, in this room, there is a secret entrance to a secret room. But before we show you that, I just want to jump back to the sponsor of today's video, which is Squarespace. So thanks again for kindly sponsoring our video. Squarespace is a do-it-yourself, really user-friendly way of building your own website. So Squarespace obviously allows you to build your website, but it offers much more than that, such as their powerful analytics tools. So you can track how your audience is interacting with your content, how your customers are interacting on your website. Then we've got the option to interlink your social media with your website. And that's very important because a lot of businesses, it's very important, obviously they're realizing how important social media is. So for example, you could interlink your Instagram into your website and drive traffic from Instagram to your website to increase sales and also grow your overall following. So head to squarespace.com if you want a free trial. And when you're ready to launch your website, check out squarespace.com/Matt and Summer for 10% off your first purchase. Let's carry on the tour of this incredible property. There's lots more to show you. So I briefly mentioned the secret door. Head over here. So what looks to be a very normal part of the property, actually, if you bear with me, opens up. Now this is called a monk's safe room, okay? And so you've got the first door here, and then an additional door here. Now both can be locked. This is a very thick, heavy door. It's lovely and cool in here, so it would make an ideal wine room, to be fair. But if any of you know a bit more about the history of monk's safe room, and what they are and what they're used for, please let us know in the comments. I'll be interested to hear more on that. This room also has a window which overlooks a private church for the 7 apartments in this building. And the owner's daughter actually got married in that church.
These are all the original shelves.
All right, let's carry on the tour. The last thing to mention in this room is, again, although you're on the first floor, you've got really generous ceiling heights, very similar to the ground floor. All right, let's head and show you the kitchen. The kitchen's also on the first floor. So you've got up a couple of stairs.
This is the only room without original flooring.
Yeah, I think the kitchen is the area that most surprised me. For the size of the apartment, I think the kitchen is a really generous size. We've got an Aga Rangemaster in the center. Now here, there are granite worktops.
And this is all antique pine.
This is actually the fridge behind here as well, isn't it? The fridge and freezer.
Where would the pizza oven go?
Yeah, so this is a working fireplace. The owners thought about converting to a pizza oven, which I personally think is a great idea.
In the original house, the living room we showed you was a bedroom and this was a dressing room.
This would be a really big dressing room, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
You've also got large windows in here, so although it's a kitchen in an old building, there's a lot of light. We've still got the granite around here. Now this is the sink with a food waste disposer, and the bin is integrated into here.
And here are the dishwashers.
So there's space to also have a breakfast table in here. And now we're going to go check out the bedrooms and bathrooms on the second floor. This is the top of the building then, so second level. And firstly, we're going to show you the family bathroom. So through this door, we've got a roll top bath, Sanitan sanitary ware, and really high ceilings in there too. The 2 bedrooms are on this floor, so we're going to show you the main bedroom. This bed is at least a super king. It's a very large bed. You even got a space for a seating area and then 3 steps up to your ensuite. If you want to check that out, Summer.
These are actually storage steps. Okay, they don't open, but...
I think they do, you just have to twist this.
Oh, right, okay.
He says.
Okay, maybe just leave that.
We'll leave that, but we have been informed that you can store stuff in there.
And in the ensuite, there's underfloor heating. Toilet. Hi. And a shower.
Okay, now the second bedroom is just here. This is also a double room, a very similar size, just doesn't have the ensuite. Jungle bed.
And you have space for wardrobes on that side.
Now, a couple of things to mention, which I know some of you will be interested to know. So it's a leasehold property with a 999-year lease from the year 2000, and it has a service charge of £290 per month. But that does include the buildings insurance, the water, and the maintenance of 13 acres. So I'd much rather pay that than have to get out the lawnmower and mow all of that garden myself. So we finished checking out the interior of this apartment. Now let's go show you some more of the outside and see what the exterior looks like. Let's go. Back outside the hall and just take a moment to think how incredible it would have been when this was just one residence. So take a spin around some, you can see more of the grounds here. Very quiet. So if you're looking for somewhere a little different and unique, but yeah, we hope you enjoyed taking a look around it with us. We'll see you in our next episode.